Well, gang, pretty miserable day today. Just started pouring down rain outside, and unluckily I took the Caterham to do a few chores in the city. So we'll go for a ride back home and hopefully not get too wet on the way. Gang, filmed a little bit of the ride home there, a little miserable. I have a few interesting things to show you. My dad, picked up a new car. It's European, it's a little exotic, a little bit different. So we'll do a video of that being unveiled very shortly. And then obviously got to continue on with this Duratec build. I've been working on this BMW of mine for a little while now, getting a little frustrated, so that's going to be up for sale as well very shortly once we get that wheel bearing fixed. And onwards and upwards, so hopefully I'll be picking up a new car at some point soon. Obviously maybe not brand new, but new to me. And we'll see what that might be. So if you've got any suggestions of what a realtor should be driving, let me know. Feel free to subscribe and follow my journey here. I really appreciate it. Also, if you like the videos, please do give it a thumbs up. And we'll hopefully have a lot more content to come. Thanks very much. We'll see you guys next time.